Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are taking an in-depth look at the Euro NCAP crash test results for all three generations of the Volkswagen Tiguan. The Tiguan has been a popular choice among SUV enthusiasts for years, and we are here to see how its safety performance has evolved over time. So let's dive right into the crash test results, but before everything, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For you is free, for us is very important. And starting with the first Volkswagen Tiguan generation, which was produced from 2007 till 2016. In its Euro NCAP crash test, the first generation Tiguan received an overall rating of 5 stars. And for adult occupant protection, it scored 87%. The frontal impact test showed good protection for both the driver and passenger, with only minor chest and leg protection concerns. The side impact test results were equally impressive, providing good protection to all critical body areas. In child occupant protection, the first generation Tiguan scored 79%, offering good protection for both 18-month-old and 3-year-old child dummies with minimal movement during impact. For the pedestrian protection was rated at 48%, with the front bumper providing good protection to pedestrians' legs. However, the front edge of the bonnet and the windscreen area showed poor results. Also, safety assist technologies were not so advanced as today, but the Tiguan managed to score 71% in this category thanks to the features like electronic stability control and seatbelt reminders. Next we have the second generation Volkswagen Tiguan, which has been on the market between 2016 and 2024. This model also received a 5-star rating in its Euro NCAP crash test results. In this case, for adult occupant protection, the second generation Tiguan scored an impressive 96%. It showed excellent protection in both frontal and side impact tests, with all critical body areas well protected. Child occupant protection saw a score of 84%, with good performance for both child dummies in frontal and side impacts. The car provided effective restraint systems, minimizing forward movement during impacts. Also, the pedestrian protection improved significantly to 72%. The bonnet provided good or adequate protection to pedestrian heads, while the bumper offered good protection to pedestrian legs. On the other side, the safety assist features saw also a marked improvement with a score of 68%. The second generation Tiguan was equipped with advanced technologies such as autonomous emergency braking, lane assist and speed assistance systems. And finally, let's look at the all-new third generation of Volkswagen Tiguan, which will hit the market in 2024. This model also received a 5-star rating in his Euro NCAP crash test. And for adult occupant protection, the 2024 Tiguan scored 83%. It provides solid protection in frontal and side impact, although there is a room for improvement in some areas compared to its predecessors. The child occupant protection is offering now a strong of 88%, with excellent performance in both frontal and side impact tests, ensuring the safety to younger passengers. Pedestrian protection has also improved with a score of 84%. The redesigned front end provides good protection for pedestrians, particularly in the critical head and leg areas. Also, the safety assist technologies have been further improved with a score of 78%. The 2024 Tiguan includes state-of-the-art features such as improved autonomous emergency brake, lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. And as a final conclusion, we can clearly say that the Volkswagen Tiguan has consistently performed well in the Euro NCAP crash test, with each generation building on the strengths on his predecessors. From solid protection and safety features in its first generation to advanced technologies in the third generation, the Tiguan continues to prioritize the safety. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.